it's your girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm making bracelets, so we at Micheals. So I got this because to hold it together. Um, I need this one. Um, oh, it already come with that, so I'm gonna switch these out. Alright, so I got this. But I'm my part. Now I need to look. And I could not find why wouldn't they have on the same pipe? I think they here before, like when I was gonna go looking. Now that I need it, I can't find it. It kind of sweats to me. I have to ask somebody. I got other stuff to do. I don't even walk over there. It's literally the first eye. Like, wow. Wait a minute. I'm gonna get this small, like a baby. I guess that's good. It's like $5. So yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What did I do? What's the plan with that? Yeah, I done found this slime. This is like so middle school for me. Lie. How you find me? My bed there.
The mode release. Mode release.
That what you do? Yes or no?
No.
What you do?
Nothing.
Let's go to the shop. Check out that they have. Yeah. The other day, the power went out at Starbucks, and everybody's like, ah, it was like, stuff. And I started laughing because that's how it be in the movie. So I started laughing because everybody just gasping. I was like, I'm too unserious. Like, I'm so not serious. I want. Yo, I was literally getting so mad. But this is the whole process. I had to figure out my size and all of that. But I think the gems I got are really cute. And what's funny to me is I was thinking I could sell some bracelets like this. But after actually doing it, I was like, no. Immediately, no. And in a different video, I'm gonna show y'all what the bracelets look like. But I'm about to insert clip just to show how I was feeling.